Hi everybody, welcome to Piethon Coders. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to code a spirit animal quiz part 4. So this is the last part of the series, so today we'll basically finish off the whole program and we will determine the user's spirit animal. So basically in the last video I showed you how to use import math and how to add points to each animal's score based on the user's answer choices. So since last time, I've basically just added these. So I've personalized all of the answers, or all of the if, elif, and else statements, rather, to the particular question. So I've changed so if they answer A, instead of in our original question, you give a point to rabbit. Instead, in question 4, now we give a point to otter. So I've just changed it slightly for each question. So now we're going to start on the if statements. So I'm just going to scroll to the very bottom of my program, and I'm just going to press a few enter. That way I can just separate it visually for me. It's easier to see. And then now we're just going to do an if statement that basically says if, I'm going to start with the winning spirit animal is an otter. So if otter is greater than panda, and otter greater than pig, and otter greater than fox, and otter greater than a rabbit, and otter greater than Bichon, print congrats. Your spirit animal is an otter. Whoops, I forgot a beginning quote here. So basically what this is going to do, basically what this is going to do is just say if the otter's points are greater than panda and pig and fox and rabbit and Bichon. So if the user chooses otter answers the most, then we're just going to print congrats, your spirit animal is an otter. So if that doesn't happen, then we are going to have another if statement. So we are going to have something like this. We're going to say elif, elif, sorry. If now we'll do for panda. If panda greater than otter, and panda greater than pig, and panda greater than fox, and panda greater than a rabbit, and panda greater than Bichon. And we're going to print congrats. Your spirit animal is a panda. Now we're basically just going to do this for the other animals. So basically first we'll check for otter, and if it's not otter, then we will check for panda, and if not, we'll check for pig, and if not for fox, and if not for rabbit, and if not for Bichon. So instead of writing this all out, I'm just going to copy this piece of code right here, and then I'm just going to paste it a few times. So we did panda, we did otter, which means we have 4 left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm just going to change this. So the next one I'm going to do is fox. So basically if fox greater than otter, and fox greater than pig, and fox, this is going to say panda instead, and fox greater than panda, and fox greater than rabbit, and fox greater than Piethon. So basically, if fox is greater than all of the other animals, then we're just going to say, congrats, your spirit animal is a fox. We're going to do the same for this. So the next one I'm going to do is a rabbit. So if rabbit greater than otter, and rabbit greater than pig, and rabbit greater than fox, and say rabbit greater than panda, and rabbit greater than Piethon, then we're just going to put your spirit animal is a rabbit. And then now we have a Piethon. So now so far we have the otter, we have the panda, we have the fox, we have the rabbit, and now we need the Piethon. So I'm going to put if Piethon greater than otter, and Piethon greater than pig, and Piethon greater than fox, and Piethon greater than rabbit, and Piethon greater than, now we're going to change this to panda. Then we're going to print, congrats, your spirit animal is a Piethon. So now we have otter, we have panda, and the only one we're missing right now is the pig. So we're just going to use this last one to say if pig greater than otter, and pig greater than, we're going to change this to panda, and pig greater than fox, and pig greater than rabbit, and lastly, pig greater than Piethon. Then we're just going to print, congrats, your spirit animal is a pig. So basically, once in a while, we will see a situation where there's actually a tie. So let's say there's 5 different options. Let's say for the first question, the person chooses otter. For the second, they choose panda. For the third, they choose fox. For the fourth, they choose rabbit. And for the fifth, they choose Piethon. Then there really is no winning animal. So one easy solution that I'm going to use is to create kind of a backup animal. Like in my case, I'm going to use a chameleon in the event that there is a tie. So I'm just going to write here, I'm just going to type else print rats, your spirit animal is a chameleon. So now we basically have all our code for the whole program. So now all that's left is to run it. So I'm just going to do run module. It's going to say, is it okay to save it? So I'm going to say okay. And now it's going to say, welcome to the spirit animal game. Please answer the following questions to discover your spirit animal. If you had 1 hour to do anything, would you A, read a book, B, watch a movie, C, cook or bake something delicious, D, eat something delicious, E, do a craft, or F, watch something on YouTube? So just as an example, I'm going to enter in all A's so you can see what it looks like. So now I have entered in all my answers, and now it says, congrats, your spirit animal is an otter. So in real life, we will actually look through these questions, but just as an example so you can see the end result, it's just going to do this. It's going to print a congratulatory message, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this video series. If you did, please like it. If you have any questions or ideas for new videos, put them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to address them. Happy programming!